Outdoor Refrigerator Stainless Steel Front. The RCS Gas Grills Outdoor Refrigerator with Stainless Steel Front offers a great balance between price and quality. The product is available at a relatively affordable price and offers a quality product that will perform well outdoors. The refrigerator offers an internal capacity of 4.8 cubic feet, allowing you to store soda and beer cans along with food and other items so that you have everything on hand when you throw a barbecue. The front side of the refrigerator is made from a durable, quality stainless steel that provides a better level of rust resistance, ensuring that this refrigerator will last for an extended period of time. One particular convenient feature that is provided by the RCS Gas Grills Outdoor Refrigerator with Stainless Steel Front is the fact that the product was designed to be used as either a portable or built-in refrigerator. This refrigerator also comes with an automatic defrost feature, interior shelves that are made from glass, and a thermostat that allows you to control the internal temperature of this outdoor refrigerator.